In this section we will be talking about choosing the research topic.
First, you need to have some good ideas of what your research topic might be. Good ideas intrigue and encourage the researcher in a personal way. Good research ideas are not necessarily new, but they are innovative. Good research ideas can be used to create theories and propose a solution to problems.
An idea can come from your own experience, from real-life problem reported by someone, from a fact, but you can tackle it from a different point of view. The lack of references in the field, contradictions among other research works, the need to explain facts or phenomena, the incoherence between theory and empiric works in regards to a specific topic.
Do not research a topic which has been deeply researched and discussed. Do an extensive literature review to make sure that there is no other existing similar works.
If you tried to come up with an idea, it will be a difficult task to accomplish because most initial ideas are vague and require more analysis to become precise and structured statements. Let's check some ideas: drugs, school desertion, pregnancy, alcoholism, diabetes, renewable energies, oral contraceptive methods, TV.
Going from the research idea to the research topic is not an easy task. For this we will use what is called the research topic map.
Start drawing the map by writing your topic in the rectangle in the middle, for example drugs.
Then in the definition rectangle, look for the definition and type it in the rectangle: a medicine or other substance which has a physiological effect when ingested or otherwise introduced into the body.
Next, look for synonyms and write them in the corresponding rectangle. Synonyms are important because you might need them when looking for information for the literature review: cure, depressant, medicine, narcotic, poison, prescription, stimulant, sedative, tonic.
Continue with some subtopics you might be interested in. Write them in the subtopics rectangle: behavior, rehabilitation programs, legal prevention.
Next, let's write the 4 W's: who, where, when and from what perspective. Who: teenagers, adults, people from a certain economic status. Where: rural, urban, Japan, San Jose, Nopola, Mexico. When: in the past. Nowadays. What decade? Changes over time. From what perspective? Drug abuse, prescription drugs, alcohol abuse, substance abuse.
Let's move on to the consequences and benefits. Benefits: relieve pain, reduce depression, gives energy, treat minor skin lacerations, control nausea, relieve intraocular pressure associated with glaucoma, aid sleep, cancer and other diseases treatment. Consequences: physical and psychological effects: dependency, affect your concentration and coordination, depression, vomiting, unconsciousness, panic, paranoia, gastric upset and death.
Now that we have completed the research topic map, we should take some time to fully understand what we would like to research on.
After we have done the careful review, we should make all possible combination of words from all the rectangles, both with positive and negative effects, and write them down. Let's check some. Use of drugs by teenagers in rural areas in the last decade that consume alcohol. Use of drugs by teenagers in Japan nowadays, greater energy that use prescription drugs. Use of drugs by teenagers in Japan nowadays, depressed that use prescription drugs. Use of drugs by teenagers from middle class in rural areas nowadays, drug abuse. Use of drugs by adults from middle class in San Jose last decade, cancer treatment. We can cross out some words if we are not genuinely interested in the resulting topic, and we can also add some other rectangles or bubbles so that we can narrow down a research topic even further. For example, in the WHO rectangle, you can add a bubble which includes adults from 2130, adults from 3140, adults from 4150, lower economic class, middle class, high class, or in the consequences rectangle. You can add a bubble and include social impact and family impact and so on.
Let's check some other ideas. Describe the uses that children make of television and satisfactions they get when they watch TV programs. Alcoholism among third-grade students in public high schools in Japan. Oral contraceptive methods used by management engineering students at the Japan Institute of Higher Education. School desertion among students in the architecture academic program at the Japan Institute of Higher Education. COVID vaccination side effects among elderly people in Nopala.
Now it's your turn.
You are going to select 3 ideas related to your academic program and draw the research topic maps.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. You are going to record yourself answering these questions. You are going to record the synthetic voice and your voice as if it were a conversation. You have 40 seconds to answer. Give complete answers. Give reasons. Use the 40 seconds to answer. Don't stop speaking. The file type you submit to your teacher must be MP3. If you need more than 40 seconds, stop this video and record your answer. Then resume this video and continue with your recording.
You are going to practice several times answering these questions. When you think you are ready, record yourself with the speech-to-text microphone in WhatsApp in your cell phone. If it shows the words that you are saying, then your pronunciation is correct. If not, check your pronunciation. Find a voice synthesis application so that you copy and paste what you are trying to say and listen to how the words are pronounced. Then try again until you pronounce correctly. When you are able to pronounce correctly, then record the questions and your answers using your cell phone and submit it to your teacher.
1. Escucha las preguntas primero. 2. Escribe tus respuestas. 3. Practica leyendo tus respuestas con tu celular en el modo de voz a texto para que verifiques que se escriben correctamente las palabras que dices. También puedes usar otro programa de reconocimiento de voz o de dictado. 4. Cuando pronuncies bien, graba la conversación. Si pronuncias mal, no envíes tu archivo hasta que lo hagas correctamente.
Describe how you can come up with a research topic. Describe the 3 research ideas related to your academic program that you are interested in. That's it for this lesson. See you in our next Hands on the Writing a Research Proposal Flipped Classroom session.